It's time to play with your toys! Welcome to InfiniBrix! The only storytelling, role-playing, toy-mashing game where your imagination can truly run wild. Want to play a monster truck wizard? How about a dragon princess skeleton? Or a chicken? Other games say no. InfiniBrix says, heck yes! Write tags to describe your heroic figment, then use them for the Triumph dice to do anything you can imagine. Create and destroy objects, heal, hurt, even change tags, altering reality. Put opposing tags on foes and challenges, add trouble dice. So roll big or go home. Because that's where you keep your toys! InfiniBrix comes with a rule book to get you playing in minutes, a pad full of fill-in-the-blank story scenes guaranteed to make you pee your pants laughing, a pad of character sheets and blank foe and item cards so you can create your own wild adventures, double-sided battle mats for the most legendary showdowns ever, Triumph and trouble dice for epic gambles, heart and spark dice for 6 players, and a deck of challenge and item cards for even more action! Get it now to tell zany, wild stories with InfiniBrix. InfiniBrix is not legally affiliated with any plastic brick corporation, including a Lego Corporation, Mega Bloks, or any other toy that you could possibly imagine. InfiniBrix is absolved of all liability for any injuries resulting from extreme hilarity and creativity. InfiniBrix cannot be held liable for making adults feel like they're kids again, and kids feel like adults are actually decent people to hang out with. You want it, you need it, you've gotta have it. Back InfiniBrix.